So today we are cleaning the bus. We're leaving on Monday, which is really soon, and this bus needs to be disinfected. We're gonna clean real quick for you guys, and yeah. All that. Still going. Okay, so just cleaned all the surfaces now for the floor. So I realized that I forgot some stuff in the fridge, and it's like frozen and moldy. So I don't know how that happened, but now I have to clean out the fridge too. Bus life. Yay! Okay guys, I kind of forgot to film all of the in and out of the bus because I haven't cleaned the floors yet because I had to clean the fridge because there was mold in it. But now there is a little bit left right here. You can see all that. I'm going to be bringing my art stuff, shampoos, could be the shower mirror towels. But yeah, so we're near the end. Almost get to clean the floors, and then hopefully we leave tomorrow. But I'll show you guys the inside of the bus right now. As you see, the path has been trodden. We got a lot of stuff in here. Look at all that stuff. It's home. It is home. Okay, we're nearing the end. We're nearing the end. The floors are not done yet. That's okay. Look at this. Isn't that cute? Ooh. But closet is full. Look at that nice big closet. So many clothes. Wow. We thought we were minimalists. Haha. The bed in the back, more clothes, and then our shower, bathroom, compost toilet. Vanity is mainly done. Oh, this is a lot of work. A lot of work. Tip for the day: if you want to live a minimalist life, you should almost every day be getting rid of stuff and like moving. Oh my gosh, it's so much work. But it's okay. We're figuring it out. Okay guys, changed my coat because why not? but we have the last load. Finally. It's only taken 6 hours. Okay, so let's go out here. Gage is gonna grab this last load that's right, oh, that's the mirror right there. And some board games and stuff because, you know, bus life. So here we go. Gonna go. Oh my gosh, the door is open. Oh my goodness, the door is just left wide open. Maybe a critter got in there, who knows. Bus life. Okay, so here we go on the well-trodden path. And the door is completely open. Whatever. What can you do? Oh, I still need to clean. Hello? Okay, nothing's in here. We're good. I still need to clean the floors and kind of put everything back to where it belongs. More so, make the bed, and then clean our bedroom, and then clean the bathroom that we had in his parents' house. And then after that, it's all done. This is it. This is the bus life. It's a lot of work. So my brain is fried. I am on another level right now. I have no expression. I'm a robot. Just trying to finish this before it gets too dark because I had a goal to finish it today. That's about it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Subscribe, like. I'll see you guys oh so very soon. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah.